Hi, does a piece of paper intimidate you? Does it scare you? How about if there's a transcript on it? Are you breaking out in sweats now? Because here's the thing, making a transcript isn't that hard. That's what I help parents do all the time. My name is Lee Binz and I'm the HomeScholar. And my specialty is helping parents make a homeschool transcript. And I can help you too. Making your homeschool transcript has never been more important. With more people coming out of public and private school, starting to homeschool, how do you stand out from the crowd? You do that by creating a homeschool transcript that demonstrates that you took education seriously while you were homeschooling. Yes, you can still have a normal, natural homeschool. You can educate your children with delight-directed learning. You can focus on having that love of learning and not testing them to death, but you can still make a homeschool transcript that looks official and professional, and that's how I help. So you can impress the colleges with the Total Transcript Solution. It's an easy 4-step process. Will help you create your own homeschool transcript at home. It's the training and tools and templates that you need to explain everything about your homeschool. It's simple and in-depth training, and it includes personal consultation with me. So if you would like some feedback on your transcript, I'm happy to help. So you get a 20-minute consultation with your transcript solution purchase. I would love to help you homeschool in other ways as well, including with the everyday value bonuses that come with the Total Transcript Solution. Bonus number 1 is the testing pack, because I realize that while that piece of paper is a little scary, what really scares your kids is the SAT or ACT. So I'm going to help you get that all figured out. Bonus number 2 is a resource pack that includes a planning calendar so you know what you're doing as the homeschool parent from middle school all the way through 12th grade. Bonus number 3 is a savings pack. It teaches you how to save money while homeschooling, because if people have been homeschooling a long time, they realize there's lots of ways to save money on home education. Bonus number 4 is continuing education with the Silver Training Club. The Silver Training Club is a membership group where you get 5 classes each month that are going to help you homeschool with confidence. With those 5 classes each month, you have great continuing education every month that you decide to homeschool. So the Silver Training Club is free for the first 30 days. And then after 30 days, it's just $27 a month for great continuing education. You can cancel at any time. It's simple for you to cancel, but I encourage you to get some continuing education, because you know what? Your job is a serious job. Your kids can have fun while they're homeschooling, but we do need to take our job as the home educator seriously. So again, my name is Lee Binz, and I would love to help you make your homeschool transcript with the Total Transcript Solution.